Today we are going to see how to create a custom product mockup in Photoshop. First, import your product mockup. You can download it in the internet. Then select the background layer. Then right-click and select duplicate layer. Then select the object selection tool in the toolbar panel. Then select the mockup and click mask icon. Then import your design that you want to add. Then hold Shift and drag it to the mockup and adjust the size. Then right-click on the design layer and choose Create Clipping Mask option. Then select Linear Burn option. Then again duplicate the background layer. Then drag it to the top of the layer panel. Then right-click again and select Create Clipping Mask option. Then select Linear Burn. You will see the final result. Subscribe for more videos.